Hello there. Once again, I am cut. And yeah, I'm just doing the part 2 of getting to know the game. So yeah. How did that not work? I've got no clue. But yeah, I just found wait a minute. Glasses. I can't put my palms through. Let's knock out with the glass. Get my mouth. What should we use to knock? Just really anything. I think we'll knock out. So let's use this. I wanna go up. Wait a minute. Smash something. Hit up. Hold. Oh, get over here. Take these glasses off. Put these. On. No, those are on them out. Yeah, I'm out. Right. So let's go to the kitchen and get one of the knives, which I've totally not just realised were there. Like, my arm's still up there. The hell? Okay, maybe not. I think you like the new glasses. You're very welcome. Right, I've just seen. No. Oh. No. Oh, toast. Toast in the toaster. Oh, bread in the toaster. That's how it works. The bread in the toaster, toast comes up. I think you toast. Oh, that's cooking. Yeah. Burn them. So that's what I want to have. Ooh, damn, it's burning to a crisp. I must cook it even more. Cook. I want to burn down the house. Twist. Wait on. There. You just. Yeah. Don't know why I just did that. I mean, I did, but I didn't know why. Turn the top on. I want to flood this house. Is it gonna flood? Oh, wonderful. This is good. Why? Now let's get that out of there. Unless we become a professional. Don't try this at home. Well, you're probably not a cat. It actually works. I was not expecting that. Actually, you guys do not try this at home. please. I will get sued if you try this. Do not try and cut your arm off with a knife. That's just not how it works. You can try and cut bread if you're with an adult, but do not try and cut bread with a massive knife by yourself. That's just no. That's not how it works. Be nice, bud. Let's use a different knife because I feel like it. Looks like it. Looks like this, but when we so perfectly sliced. Let's make breakfast for Ona. We get all this bread and butter, and let's give them a bit of toast. Hello. Good. Being innocent.
Yes. I'm Lucy. Oh, there's
Blow up a love. Looks like we're doing it in the sink. Guess if this shut up. Go down. Go down. I said go down. This is oh, another knife is calling for me. This small but a bad boy. Yeah. Oh yeah. This bad boy's calling for me. I must use it. I got the power. Come on, boo. Nom. Did I kill my owner? Hopefully. I'm so powerful. Should have chosen a bigger knife.
Open the heel.
Wait. Hold. Press it shoulder. No. Slicer. Take a piece off. Yeah. Hiya. Do this to people. Please do not do this to people. Yes. Can you get up? Or keep it? Before I slice your foot off. Cat 1. Go on easy. Get over here. Darn it. I'm getting a bigger knife this time. Yippee! Let's go kill someone. Oh, only do not do that. Yeah, walk off from my hobbles on a palm in the head. Guys, we're just gonna get the revenge and probably end today's video. And in the next video, we'll be finding out what to actually do. And just get this katana looking like thing. Come over. Slice. I'm insane. I'm insane. I'm insane. Did you not notice? I think if I'm far away. So let's get nice position. Run. Okay. Just say.
I miss you. Who's this option? Huh?
Ai! Grow up. Yeah. Oi! Wait a minute.
How's
Get
it
over I'm so good. I've got no clue what I'm actually doing, but let's see what this computer is. Before we enter Disney. Yeah, let's just take this table. Ah, let's put some military. Lovely. That's actually adorable. Password request. Okay, maybe in the next video we'll be finding out the passcode. Because, yeah, that would be helpful. Or it could be up there. Or not. Yeah. Oops. I need a knife. This is the only thing.
How's it
Well, just like that, guys, I'm gonna end today's video. Goodbye.